You've seen the declassified files. You've heard the conclusions. But how did we actually build Part 3? It didn't start with neural networks or prompt engineering. It started right here, in the messy, analog obsession with the 1980s. To catch the vibe of the Gateway report, we had to go back to the source. Dust, floppy disks, and a level of detail that borders on classified. Welcome to the making of a holographic universe. We spent hours deconstructing the core concept, hemisync. How do you visualize something that only happens inside the human mind? It required digging through the most technical parts of the Army's intelligence report. Specifically, this diagram, the blueprint of consciousness. Getting the placement of these electrodes right and understanding how the frequency patterns interacted. That was the key to unlocking the gate to the other side. The Army didn't just take Robert Monroe's word for it. They brought in the hardware. To visualize the click-out effect and the frequency-following response, we had to recreate the cold, clinical feel of a 1980s signal lab. Monitor the brain's output on an analog oscilloscope, watching for that one specific sine wave that signaled a shift in dimensions. This is where the science met the inexplicable. The Gateway report describes our universe not as solid matter, but as a complex interference pattern of energy. To capture this, we experimented with light, layering lasers and grids to mimic how consciousness projects its own reality. We wanted to show the fragile nature of the physical form. The moment the individual I dissolves into the universal grid. This wasn't just about cool visuals. It was about honoring the CIA's own holographic theory. In the end, all the documents and all the measurements pointed to one single truth. Beyond the grid of our physical reality, there is a state of pure, undisturbed consciousness, a point where the observer and the observed become one. The Gateway wasn't just a CIA experiment. It was a map for finding our way back home. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the absolute. Part 4 is coming. The transition has already begun.